This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the audio objects so the slider controls something meaningful. Create an audio mixer, add a group, and expose a float parameter like master volume in decibels so you can map values smoothly. Then attach an audio source to that mixer group. This ensures all playback routes through the adjustable control. Once done, add a UI slider set from 0 to 1 and wire it to a new script. You need that script to translate slider values into mixer dB changes. Now you write the control script to convert user input into audible change. In the script, reference Unity Engine, Audio, Audio Mixer, and the UI slider. Subscribe to slider. On value change to handle real-time updates. Convert the slider's linear 0-1 value to decibels using math. Log 10 math. Max value 0, 0001F, asterisk 20 so the perceived loudness feels natural. Then call mixer. Set float, master volume, dB. Finish by persisting and testing the slider so users keep their preference. Save the normalized slider value to player prefs when changed and loaded on awake, then apply the converted dB immediately. Test the control across several clips and add extremes to verify expected loudness and avoid sudden jumps. If you encounter silence or no change, make sure the exposed parameter name matches exactly. The audio source is routed to the mixer group, and the slider never sends a raw 0 without the small floor value to prevent infinity dB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.